In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a test issue type in Jira. Whether you're managing a team or working on a solo project, customizing your Jira setup can help streamline your workflow. Let's walk through the steps to add a test issue type together. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Jira. If you have it bookmarked, great. If not, simply go to your browser and type in the web address for your Jira instance. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage with all your projects listed. Next, you'll need to choose the specific project or space where you want to add this test issue type. You can find your projects listed prominently on your Jira dashboard. Click on the project you're working with, and this will take you into the project-specific area where you can adjust settings and functionalities. Once you're in the project, look to the right-hand side of your screen where you'll see three dots or an ellipsis button next to the project name. Clicking on this button will open a small drop-down menu with various options related to the project settings and configurations. From there, you'll want to select Space Settings. This option allows you to configure various aspects of your project space, including how you classify different types of work within the project. Clicking here will open a new settings screen, offering you a more detailed list of adjustable settings for the project. Among the menu options, you'll find Work Types. Click on it to view the existing categories and to create new ones. This is a crucial step because effectively managing different types of work ensures that your project remains organized and efficiently tracked. Once you're in the Work Types section, look for the option labeled Add Work Type. Selecting this will prompt you to define a new type of issue or task for your project. This is where you'll specify that you want to create a test issue type. Clicking Add Work Type will open a panel where you can input the details of the new issue type. Here, you'll specify the name for your new work type and give it a distinct categorization or description if needed. This is your moment to customize things to fit your project's unique requirements. After you've filled in the necessary information and chosen the settings you desire, go ahead and click on the Add button to finalize your changes. This command tells Jira to incorporate your new issue type into the system. And there you have it. You've successfully added a test issue type in Jira. Now, you and your team can better categorize and manage testing tasks, making the work process much smoother and more efficient. Remember, taking a little time to set things up correctly can save you a lot of effort down the line.